Hi student, that is 10 plus 1 mathematics class. We proceed to exercise 7.4. We are taking question number 4 of exercise 7.4. So exercise question number 4. In how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 5 girls? So 3 boys out of 5 boys can be selected in 5C3 ways, and 3 girls out of 4 girls can be selected in 4C3 ways. Number of ways in which 3 boys and 3 girls selected equal to, we get the multiplication 5C3 into 4C3. So 5 factorial upon 3 factorial and 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial and 1 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial, 2 into 1 into 3 factorial into 4 into 3 factorial. We cancelled out factorial terms and 2 cancelled by 2 2 ja 5 4 ja 20, 20 2 ja 40 ways. So we get an answer 40 ways. We are taking question number, next question, question number 5. Question number 5 of exercise 7.4. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls and 5 blue balls. In each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So number of ways of selecting 3 red balls out of 6 red balls, that is 6 red balls, that is 6C3 ways, and number of ways of selecting 3 white balls out of white balls becomes 5 white balls, 5C3 ways, and number of ways of selecting 3 blue balls out of 4 balls, 3 blue balls will be given 5 also, 5 blue balls, that is 5C3 ways. So total number of ways selecting these 9 balls, that is 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3. After simplification we get, using the formula NCR equal to n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. So using this formula we get 6 factorial, 3 factorial and 6 minus 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial. So 6 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. Also be written as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 3 into 2 into 1. 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 into 1, and 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, 3 factorial into 2 into 1. So cancellation of the factorial term. We also cancel 3 2 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. Remaining terms 5 4 ja 20 into 5 2 ja 10 into 10. So this is equal to 2000 ways. At last we given some homework. Student, you try to for your homework for exercise 7.4, you try to question number 7, 8, 9. So you try these 3 questions, you find out easily. If any problems, you contact me. That is my today's class. Thanks a lot.